the judicial process?
Yes.
hmm All the acts of the court from the beginning to the end of a lawsuit.
Yes.
hmm Process, legal, court, order, a writ, a warrant. Now, this irregular process, a court order, writ not issued in strict conformity with the established law.
Yes.
Could be the protection order that you issued for 10 years.
Right.
Could be the protection order you issued for 2 years.
Right.
Could have been every protection order that you issued. Ouch. See, the law,
Yes.
strict conformity.
Ouch!
The law
Yes.
only requires you to attempt service 2 times on the respondent
Yes.
before you can motion the court for a court order pursuant to court order,
Yes.
mailing, or publication.
Yes.
And the law has actually been written so that if you think that you can serve the respondent,
Yes.
you can have another temporary protection order issued.
Yeah.
You can keep going back to court getting temporary protection orders issued
Yes.
until you have proof of service.
Right.
Now, just so you know, this requirement of law,
Yes.
it requires 2 attempts of personal service. Now, obviously, in 2011, there was no attempt at personal service. In fact, when you issue the 1 year protection order,
Yes.
there was no attempt at personal service.
Yes.
It is a requirement of the law that you attempt personal service.
Yes.
Now, you can go to the judge and say, each time, every 14 days, I can't find the respondent.
Yes.
I'd like you to issue a court order that would allow me to mail
Yes.
a notice of the court hearing and the opportunity for the respondent to respond.
Yes.
In that case, it would be 24 days from mailing or publication.
That's right.
Because I've done a lot of study on what the conformity of the law is. Now, when we think about you issuing 2 temporary protection orders each time you reissued or renewed the protection order, absolutely unnecessary.
That's right.
See, once you have a permanent protection order in place, there is no need to reissue a temporary protection order. You can give notice to the respondent at any time that there is a court order issued
Yes.
that you're motioning the court for a court.
Yeah! Fooch!